Okay, gastric ulceration and erosion. So, before we go into it, what is an ulcer? Trying to find something. Okay. An ulcer is basically a mucosal defect through the muscular mucosa and submucosa. It can even be deeper, so you can see it's quite penetrative into the layer. So again, muscular mucosa, submucosa, or deeper. And erosion is not a penetration of the muscle mucosa though. So that's how they differ. So in terms of etiology, it's usually caused by something called a gastronoma. So yeah, you can see erosion differs. Oh, sorry, I thought there'd be more pictures. Okay. A gastronoma is basically an alimentary tract gastrin secreting tumor, and it can occur anywhere in the body, and it usually occurs because of something called Zollinger-Ellison syndrome. I don't know if the word is here. Zollinger-Ellison syndrome? Anywhere? Nope. I wrote it though. And basically what it is it's when there's a pancreas-specific gastronoma that increases gastrin secretion, which leads to duodenal ulcers. So, okay, what drugs will can also cause ulcers? There are NSAIDs and dexamethasone, and there are diseases that can lead to this, like hepatic failure and shock. Ulcers usually occur in specific parts of the stomach, so the entrance of the stomach, known as the pylorus. Oh yeah, here we go. The pylorus, and the exit of the stomach, known as the fundus. No, wait, sorry, the other way around. The fundus is the entrance, the pylorus is the exit. And the signs, basically, you'll see vomiting, sometimes with blood, you can see why, and melena, so blood in the feces. We'll usually diagnose this. You'll see anemia, for example. You can do a rectal examination and you'll get like bloody feces on your hands. You can do a contrast medium x-ray by feeding barium sulfate to the animal. You can also, through the lab, see metabolic acidosis and alkalosis and do an endoscopy. But the endoscopy is probably the ideal solution. So you can see that this is such a clear image. The reason we could do this was because there was just a camera put into the stomach. Now, the way we treat this is through three main means, and I'm speaking from personal experience. So hydrogen receptor antagonists like ranitidine or famotidine, PPIs, proton pump inhibitors, like omeprazole, antibiotics like metronidazole, and something they've added in the question, which is endoscopic electrocautery. So basically you'll just like burn the ulcer and it stops hemorrhaging.